Hello everyone, my name is Dongyu Zhang. I'm on behalf of my team to introduce our paper, Time-Aware Transformer-Based Network for Clinical Nodes Series Prediction. Every year, huge amounts of patients' VA data are documented by clinical nodes. These nodes are rich in source of patient health status. Healthcare workers record their expert insight and findings in the nodes. Rich information about the patients in this document can be tremendously valuable for supporting clinical decision-making. However, doctors complain that clinical notes are too long, too complex, and filled with unhelpful words. You can also imagine there are tens or even hundreds of notes like this associated with a single patient. It makes people hard to find out useful information from clinical notes. As the figure shows, a patient's clinical note composes a sequence, which are generated over time. Each of these notes consists of a sequence of words, and the patient has a clinical outcome, like pass away or survive. However, for the second patient, the note contents are the same, but the orders of note differ, so the clinical outcomes becomes different. The content and orders of note of the third patient are the same with the first one, but different creation time also lead to different outcomes. It illustrates that both sequential and temporal informations impact the patient's clinical outcome. In this work, we propose a hierarchical model structure, which we call Flexible Time-Aware LSTM Transformer (FTL Trans), to predict the patient outcome from clinical notes. It consists of four layers. First, chunk content embedding layer extracts the text from notes. Second, position enhance the chunk embedding layer learns the sequential info of clinical notes. Third, time-aware layer takes the temporal information into account to learn time-aware patient representation. And lastly, classification layers generated a patient-level prediction using this learned patient representation. Our model can take node content, sequential, and time information into account, so it can notice some patterns which might be ignored by healthcare professionals. Alerts generated by our model may help medical staff intervene in times on patient treatment. Thanks and welcome to our poster to know more about our research.